Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Aaron Painting. Today we're painting up another Dunkeldorf miniature, and this time it's Floria, the Courtesan. And once again I'm inspired by the picture on the King Games website, kinggames.dk, but I'm going to use mainly contrast paints to get my result, and therefore the model has been undercoated with Wraithbone spray. The base has been sculpted with milliput. Really easy cobblestone sculpt. And not much else to say. Let's get some paint on this lady. So first thing I'm gonna do is take some Guilliman flesh, and this is of course for all his skin. Next up, some Volupus pink, and this is for her dress. Now, some black Templar, and this is basically to base coat the rest of the details. Time to get some paint on the eyes, and for that I'll take some dead white and some model color black. Next up, a little bit of glorious gold, and this is for her bracelet and the details on her corset. Now I'm gonna take some mechanical standard gray and paint in the cobblestones. Next up, I'm gonna wash the gold details with a little bit of Reichland flesh shade. Now I'll take some Nuln oil and wash the cobblestones. Now that the Nuln oil has finally dried, I'm gonna take some Terminator stone and dry brush the cobblestones, and then I'm gonna paint the base trim with model color black. And there we have her, painted up in no time at all. What took the longest was actually waiting for the Nuln oil to dry on the base. I'm really happy with her. I think she looks great. She's ready for the tabletop as an NPC in my dungeon crawling campaign. Perhaps she'll need rescue at some point, who knows. Anyway, let me know below what you think. If you like this video, if you want to see more Dunkeldorf videos. They're not doing as well as I want them to at the moment, but well, I'm having a lot of fun painting up these miniatures, so this will definitely not be the last Dunkeldorf video. Maybe next week I'll do something else just for the variation, but not much else to say. Till next time, take care and bye bye.